At VMIA, we look after the public sector's risk and insurance needs. That means they can focus on critical services and infrastructure for every Victorian. At the end of 2019, the Black Summer bushfires hit. They damaged or destroyed infrastructure in national parks, especially around East Gippsland. We were there to help our clients respond quickly.
Right from the outset, the VMIA have worked with DELP to understand the damage and allow us to undertake works which keep critical infrastructure and critical services open.
We use data from Emergency Management Victoria, as well as our own geospatial asset mapping.
Assessing the damage at Bucking Caves in particular was important to be done as soon as possible, because once the damage is assessed, then you can clear all the debris and start working on what you can to at least reopen in the short term.
We had a large part of our network that was impacted, 2,100 kilometres of road. So we were closing those roads and making sure that we were able to keep communication to the community.
Now, it's time for recovery.
The bridges have been completely repaired now, which has allowed full access to the site for the completion of hazardous tree removal and the repair of park furniture.
The response of the VMIA was extraordinary. We were faced with this huge task of recovering the network. So we picked up the phone and we explained our challenge to them, and within days they arrived.
We partner with our clients early to help communities rebuild sooner, so that Victorians can get back to enjoying everything our regions have to offer.
The work that VMIA and the DELP have done together have allowed the communities and families to get back into the forests and the parks to enjoy these facilities.